How to create a viral marketing campaign in under 24 hours. Welcome to Marketing Strategy X channel, where we share tips and tricks for creating successful marketing campaigns. Today, we're going to show you how to create a viral marketing campaign in under 24 hours. In today's fast-paced world, it's more important than ever to create a viral marketing campaign that can generate buzz quickly. But how do you do that in such a short amount of time? The first step is to gather a team of marketers who can brainstorm ideas and come up with a plan of action. You'll want to focus on creating a campaign that is shareable, relatable, and has a strong call to action. Once you have a general idea of what your campaign will be, it's important to create a catchy hashtag and social media graphics that will grab people's attention. Remember, the goal is to make it easy for people to share your campaign on their own social media accounts. Next, create a video or animation that will be the centerpiece of your campaign. Make sure it's engaging and easy to understand, and that it communicates your message clearly. Once your campaign is ready, it's time to launch it on social media. Make sure you have a plan in place to promote your campaign and reach as many people as possible. This could include paid advertising, influencer partnerships, or even a social media contest. And that's it. With the right team, a clear message, and a strong call to action, you can create a viral marketing campaign in under 24 hours. Remember, the key is to keep it simple, relatable, and shareable. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more marketing tips and tricks. And if you want to learn more about creating viral marketing campaigns, be sure to check out our other videos.